Software Spring. Presents. How to remove whitespace, using trim, and without using trim, in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to remove whitespace, using the trim function, and without using the trim function. This is the data, with whitespace, or extra space. Alright, let me calculate the length of text in each cell, using len function, so the length can be compared, after whitespace and extra space is removed. The len function formula is: because the len function is not an array function, I will nest it inside array formula function, to specify an array, as the argument of the len function. The array formula, and len, combo function formula is. Let me type the formula, in this cell, and press enter. The final formula is. Press enter. OK, this is the length of text. Now that we have got the length of text, including those with white space, and/or extra space, it's time to remove them. How to remove whitespace using trim. Trim removes leading and trailing whitespace, and extra space between words. Trim is best used inside a function like len, so len doesn't count any whitespace or extra space. For more info on trim, please refer to its exclusive tutorial, whose link is given in the description. The syntax of trim function formula is: like len, trim is not an array function. To specify an array, as the argument of trim, nest it inside array formula. Here is the syntax. Alright, we are all set to type the formula. First, type A, R, and select array formula. Now, nest the trim function. Type T, R, and select trim. For text, select this range. Type 2 closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. Trim has removed the white space and extra space. Let me calculate the length of the text, as before. These are the lengths of text, before and after removing white space and extra space. How to remove white space, without using trim. First, select the range, from which to remove the white space. Click Data. Move the cursor over Data Cleanup. Click Trim Whitespace. This dialog gives info on the number of cells from which whitespace is removed. Now, this data doesn't have whitespace or extra space. Quick review. Trim removes whitespace and extra space. A typical use of trim is nesting it inside another function, like len. Trim whitespace feature, under Data, Data Cleanup menu, is another way to remove whitespace and extra space. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.